Hello, my beautiful friend. Welcome to Live with Ease. My name is Julia, and today I invite you to explore a meditation practice around love and compassion, beginning with yourself. Now, you may be really great at spreading and sharing that love towards others, but sometimes we tend to leave ourselves out of the equation and neglect that self-care. So I do want to take this moment to acknowledge you and to commend you for showing up and taking this time to dive deeper into nurturing your beautiful self. Okay, so why don't you get some yoga cozies on and let's get spreading some love. Begin in a comfortable seated position. You can sit on a pillow, bolster, or folded blanket. And if you choose, you can lean up against the wall or rest back in Shavasana if that's where you're at today. And as you find your comfortable seat, allow your sit bones or whatever parts of the body that are touching down or making contact with the ground, allow them to sink into the earth. And as they continue to settle and sink, can you gently lengthen the spine upwards, finding lightness and ease as you sit. Now invite your awareness to the breathing and take a few moments to follow the breath moving in and out of your nostrils, cooling on the in-breath, warming on the out-breath. And if you choose, you can also exhale through the mouth. So find what feels more accessible in this moment, what allows you to follow the in-breath and out-breath with ease. And as you continue to follow the flow of the breath in and out of the nostrils, or in through the nostrils and out the mouth, can you also take into consideration or notice the expansion of your abdomen as you breathe in, and the softening and relaxing of the abdomen towards the spine as you breathe out. Breath comes in, expansion. Breath comes out, relaxing and softening. And then take a moment to check in with how you're feeling. Ask yourself, where is my heart at? How is my heart in this moment? And instead of intellectualizing how you're feeling as you ask yourself these questions, go to the body. Go to the body instead. Really dive deep and listen with the body. Listen to the body, to the sensations that are coming up, and allow yourself to be with them. Allow yourself to feel what you feel. And as you continue to listen with the body and listen to the body. Acknowledge the part of you that needs a little more love and attention. It could be a younger version of yourself or the current version of yourself. And then maybe gently say to that part of yourself that needs this extra love and attention, I see you. I hear you. I feel you. And it's absolutely okay to be where you're at. Breathe into the sensations. And if you find yourself going to the mind and thinking all the thoughts, you can acknowledge that they're there. And then go back to listening to the body. Go back to listening to the sensations and allow the thoughts to evaporate. And if you choose, you can place the right hand on the heart center and keeping the left hand gently resting on your knee, leg, or abdomen. And with that left hand, consider Chin Mudra, where the index finger and thumb gently touch, turning the palms to face down and allowing the other three fingers to softly extend and rest on that left knee. As you bring the awareness to the hand that's resting on your chest, feel the soothing, loving touch emulating from the palm of that hand. Give over to that gentle touch. Breathe into that love and care as you inhale. And as you exhale, allow that nurturing energy to flow through the body like a warm, gentle hug. And as you breathe this all in, acknowledge that you are safe, that you are seen, and that you are loved and cared for. Breathing in that love and compassion. Breathing out. I love you. I care for you. I am here for you. Be with this nurturing love. You can continue to rest the hand on your heart center. If you'd like to switch hands at any point, you can. And allow that gentle, soothing touch just to rest there on your chest. Now invite your awareness to acknowledge someone that you love and care about, someone who is a nurturing, loving energy for you, or someone you would like to send love and compassion to. They could be living or not. It doesn't matter. It's what they mean to you that counts. Breathe them in. Feel their energy. Feel their love. And each time you exhale, sending them that big, warm, nurturing hug. And let them know that you love them, that you care for them, and that you're here for them. And then on your own time, take the arms out, opening your heart to receiving loving kindness and compassion. And exhale, give yourself a deliciously loving hug. Again, opening your heart. And exhale, give yourself that nurturing hug. And then this time, when you open your arms out, take in that person you shared your heart with. And as you exhale, giving them a hug, sending them the message, I love you, I care for you, I am here for you. And then bringing your palms together into the heart center and finishing off here by expressing gratitude to yourself, God, the divine, the universe, whatever it is you believe in. I thank you for opening up my heart. I will continue to lead with love today and every day that follows. And sending the hands to the forehead. Think love. To the lips. Speak love. To the heart center. Be love. Thank you.